all I cared about was just how much I'm going to make, how much I'm going to make. And I don't even know what I'm going to lose if the trade hits stop loss. Like, all I just care about the figures I'm seeing that is blue. Oh, $17. Oh, it's going, it's going. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be sharing my journey in trading, how I got started, mistakes I've made so far, and the strategies as well I'm using to become profitable. I'll also be sharing 3 key tips as a trader you need to master so that you can improve your trading greatly. If you're a newbie trader or an advanced trader, you're welcome to watch this video, subscribe, and there's going to be a lot of valuable tips in this video. Stay tuned. Before we get into the video, my name is J Forex. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and like I said, this channel is all about documenting my journey in learning how to trade Forex profitably. You're welcome to like and subscribe. I'm going to be sharing some valuable tips I have learned so far. Forex. I heard about Forex first time in 2021, and then by late 2022 I started actively learning about what trading and Forex is all about. So I feel like I have a few valuable tips that can help you as a newbie trader or an advanced trader, to take a step further in achieving our goals, which is to trade Forex profitably. Stay tuned and I'll dissect the 3 tips that have helped me get closer to achieving profitability. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first tip I'm going to be giving you guys in this video for you to know how to become profitable or get closer to achieving your profitability is risk management. Now, you can't overemphasize this enough. Risk management is very, very crucial. It's very, very important. You need to know how much you're risking on every trade so that you don't blow your account in just one single setup. You understand? You evaluate your capital. Let's say you have a 5k profit account, okay? You evaluate your capital, 5k. There are various tools you can actually use to calculate this, like this baby peeps position size calculator. You just compute the amount of your capital there, the percentage you want to risk, 0.5, 1%, 2%, based on your risk appetite. Of course, you can risk 10%, you like. Just kidding. Like, just risk whatever is your risk appetite, but at least you know the amount you're risking. I can remember when I was still starting my journey in trading, when all I cared about was just how much I'm going to make, how much I'm going to make. I don't even know what I'm going to lose if the trade hits stop loss. Like, all I just care about the figures I'm seeing that is blue. Oh, $17. Oh, it's going, it's going. I don't even know what happens. I lost money not calculating my risk, and I was wondering, is it my village people that is making my money to finish? It's just very, very, very simple. Calculate your risk. It is very, very important. Evaluate your capital, calculate your risk, and to save you from so much losses. You already accept the amount you're going to risk on the trade. If you're risking $20, if you're risking $10, if you're risking $100, you understand. But it's very, very good when you already know that, okay, I'm risking $100. If this trade goes south, I'm losing just $100. It's very important and will help you immensely on your journey. Calculate your risk, and it will save you a lot of capital and stress. Now, moving to the second point. The second point I'm going to be talking about is your edge, your strategy, and your technicals. They are all the same thing. Your strategy, your edge, what you are trading, support and resistance, smart money concepts, ICT, breaker blocks, order blocks, whatever you use, you have to make sure that your edge is good. When your technicals, which is your strategy, or your whatever strategy you're using, is actually good, then you don't have anything to worry about. You just allow the probabilities to play out at the end. So I feel like you taking your time to backtest, journal your trades as a trader, this really, really helps in your growth because it helps to give you confidence, and that is one of the ways that will help you immensely to increase your chances of becoming profitable. Now, for the third tip, I'm going to be talking about risks to reward. Risk to reward. Now, risk to reward is very, very important. And how do you get your risk to reward? You get your risk to reward by still doing the previous tip, by still testing your edge, back testing, and seeing what your strategy usually pulls out. My strategy, for example, the one I'm using, gives me a minimum of 1 to 3 risks to reward. What does this mean? It means that if I'm risking 1%, I'm expected to make 3%, or I'm expecting the market to give me 3% because the market can. It's not every time the market will give you what you're looking for, but I'm expecting to make 3%. So There are some strategies I use that give me at least, they are very high, their strike rate are very high for 2R, which is if I'm risking 1%, I'm making 2%. So for you now, when you have backtested your strategy and you know how many risk to reward your strategy usually pulls out, it can give you maybe 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, even athletic 1 to 10s. Oh my god, that would be so beautiful. But why is risk to reward important? Risk to reward is important because risk to reward is what helps you in the long run, even when you're having bad trades. You already know your win rate. So now, let's say you win 3 trades out of every 10 trades you take, and you lose 7 trades. If you have a risk to reward of 1:3 constantly, if you win 3 trades, that's going to be 3 times 3. 3 times 3, which is 9%. So if you lose 7 trades and you're risking 1%, that's 7%. When you minus 9% minus 7%, that's 2%. So you're still going to be profitable. So that's why risk to reward is very, very important, that you have a good risk to reward. I recommend 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3, anything. In fact, if I'm being completely honest, if you can make your risk to reward 1 to 3, that would be beautiful. But then, hold on. Getting a good risk to reward doesn't mean that you will now be reducing your stop loss, because I have been there, I have done it, and I don't know if you've also done it too. But reducing your stop loss won't help you to get a good risk to reward. It's actually by backtesting and learning your plan, learning your strategy properly. That's how you get better, because you still have to put your stops at the protected highs and protected lows so that you don't get wicked off by the market, and you will not be frustrated and you'll be like, oh my god, what is going on? Why is trading so hard? It is just that you need to, fix yourself first of all. So I feel like these key 3 tips: risk management, your edge, and the risk to reward, it helps immensely to increase your profitability in the market. Now, I'll give you bonus tips like psychology, which is like, not having fear of trading, or not, like, how will I put it? Have you ever been in a trade and like your heart literally starts like beating, like you get my point now, like you feel like as if your heart wants to explode. So I know you've been there, and I've also been there too, so you don't have to really be scared about all those things. It's part of trader. Don't try to fight it. Don't try to say, oh, I'm going to stop myself from feeling this way. No, you're going to feel that way. You're going to go through all those emotions. It's just how it works. But I feel like over time, you get, I won't say numb, but like you just understand that trading is all about probabilities, and at the end of the day, it is your profitable edge that helps you to get to where you want to go to, which is becoming a profitable trader, like I said in the video. Then execution is very, 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 very important. Always execute your trades. I'm going to talk about I'm going to make another YouTube video talking just about trading executions, but it's very, very important for you to always execute your trades when you see them. It is very important. Trade your plan. It is very, very important. Now we're getting to the end of the video. I like to end it off with one of my favorite quotes from a mentor, a Forex mentor that I really, really like so much. For context, he has it on his setup wall. It's like a frame. So it says, risking is better than regret. Risking is better than regretting. So think about it very well. As traders, we're all risking and risking and risking. If you don't risk your capital for that trade, then the chance is gone. But if you risk it and it comes out well, you're a winner. And if you risk it and you have a loss, well, we go again and keep on trying till we risk and make more than what we're risking. Yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'm going to bring out tons of more valuable content, very relatable stuff that we all go through, and you're also going to go through as an aspiring trader or even a veteran trader. You understand? So yeah, like, and what do I say at the end of the video? Take care and God bless. Thank you. You get my point now. Like you feel like as if your heart wants to explode.